Good afternoon, people. What we're doing today is we are in a rental property that had evidence of a leak coming through the wall. So naturally, we explored what was going on and found that the pipe here, the drain pipe, a major pipe in the property, had a crack. And this pipe goes from the toilet down to the basement into a trench. It is a very important pipe in the house. So, needless to say, when we started our exploration to find out what was going on, we came to this pipe and found that there was a crack from the very top here all the way down, 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 down to the bottom here. So we had a decision to make. It was an important decision. Do we A, replace the pipe that will cost approximately $3,000 to $5,000? Yeah, $3,000 to $5,000 because you're replacing from the basement all the way up to the second floor. Or B, do we patch it with a sealant that we used to extend the lifeline of the pipe for about 3 to 5 years? Well, you know what? Given the budget for this particular property, we decided to use the sealant, as you can see here, to cover the crack and extend the lifetime of this particular cast iron pipe. Now, cast iron pipes were put in properties years ago. This property is approximately 70 years old, maybe even 80. This pipe is 70 to 80 years old. This is a very old pipe. When we go to replace this pipe, we will probably use PVC to replace it. But for now, we sealed it to give us more time. So what we're going to do now is, as you can see, the ceiling goes all the way up on this pipe. Yeah, that's how long the crack was. Yeah, all the way down, it cracked. Sealing all the way down. So now we have to find out whether or not this sealant, this putty sealant, works. So we're going to flush the toilet to see if we see any visible evidence of any leaks coming through this sealant. So in a few minutes, we're going to hear the toilet flush. You will hear the water coming through the pipe, and that will determine whether or not we have successfully covered the entire crack and there are no leaks coming through. And we all know with water, when you seal one leak, it will find another if another is to be found. So here we go. And here we go. And there's the water. And we're looking. Let's look. I'm looking for any evidence of even a drop of water coming through the sealant. Anything at all. It's not a pretty job, but you know, it's the sealant. So it's not going to be a pretty flush job. It's putting it on and plastering it all over the pipe and the crack to make sure that the water doesn't seep through edges and sides. But guess what, folks? I am glad to say I see absolutely no evidence of a drop of water coming through the pipe. Wow. And so now we have successfully extended the life of this pipe for another 3 to 5 years. And I think that's awesome. Thank you for joining.